How to contact Binance customer support. Hey everyone, if you're trying to contact Binance customer support, this is how you do it. First of all, you can open up your Binance application or you could continue with your web browser. And here on your web browser, you're just going to have to search for Binance support. And once you have searched for Binance support, you will be taken directly to the support center. Just tap on it. Now, once you tap on this, if you need help with any particular topic, you can find the frequently asked questions right here. And if you want to contact the support team, then in that case, what you're going to have to do is click on the support option, then click on support center or 24/7 chat support. And now here you will be taken to the Binance Assistant. This is an AI bot, so whatever you ask for here, you should be able to get answers pretty quickly. But if you want to get in contact with actual person, then in that case, you're just going to have to go ahead and contact them via their phone number or email that you will see here. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.